Social by Matthew D. Lieberman is a comprehensive exploration of the biological, psychological, and social aspects of human sociality. The book argues that sociality is not just an optional add-on to our nature, but rather a fundamental part of our biology and psychology. Lieberman begins by discussing the evolutionary origins of sociality, explaining how early humans developed the ability to form complex social networks and cooperate with one another as a survival strategy. He then delves into the neurobiology of social behavior, describing the various brain structures and systems involved in processing social information and regulating social behavior. The author also explores the psychological underpinnings of sociality, discussing topics such as social cognition, emotions, and motivations. Social cognition refers to the mental processes we use to understand and interact with other people, including perceiving, interpreting, remembering, and using social information. Lieberman explains how these processes are shaped by our evolutionary history and our biological predispositions. For example, he discusses the theory of mind, which is the ability to attribute mental states, e.g., beliefs, desires, intentions, to others and to understand that they may have different perspectives from our own. The development of theory of mind is crucial for successful social interaction, as it allows us to predict and influence others' behavior. Lieberman also discusses the role of emotions in social behavior, explaining how they evolved to facilitate social interaction and promote cooperation within groups. Emotions serve as signals that help us navigate the social world, providing information about others' intentions, feelings, and reactions. For instance, the emotion of empathy allows us to feel what others are feeling and to respond appropriately, promoting social bonding and cooperation. The author further explores the motivational forces that drive social behavior, including the need for belonging, social status, and affection. These motivations are rooted in our evolutionary history and are essential for our survival and reproduction. He explains how these motivations can be both positive, e.g., forming close relationships, and negative, e.g., engaging in aggressive behavior to maintain status within a group, and how they interact with other psychological processes to shape our social behavior. Lieberman also examines the impact of social media and technology on human sociality. He argues that while these technologies have enabled us to connect with others on a global scale, they may also be having negative effects on our social well-being. For example, excessive use of social media has been linked to increased levels of loneliness and depression, as well as decreased face-to-face social interaction. The author suggests that it is important for us to develop healthy habits when using technology, such as setting boundaries and prioritizing in-person social connections. Throughout the book, Lieberman provides numerous examples and case studies to illustrate his points, drawing on research from a variety of disciplines including evolutionary biology, neuroscience, psychology, and anthropology. For instance, he discusses the famous War of the Buttons experiment conducted by Muzafer and Carolyn Sheriff, which demonstrated how group dynamics and social identity can lead to aggressive behavior, even among children who are otherwise non-aggressive. In conclusion, Social by Matthew D. Lieberman offers a comprehensive and engaging exploration of the complex nature of human sociality. By examining the evolutionary origins, neurobiological underpinnings, psychological processes, and motivational forces that shape our social behavior, the author provides a rich understanding of how sociality is integral to who we are as human beings. The book also offers valuable insights into the potential negative consequences of technology on our social well-being and the importance of maintaining healthy social connections in an increasingly digital world. Overall, Social is an essential read for anyone interested in understanding the complexities of human social behavior.